Looking at this tree frog, you can see all its insides and even its beating heart cause it's see-through. It lives near rivers and streams in the South American tropics. I think they're kind of cute. These tiny Amazon fish were just recently discovered by scientists because of their minuscule size and stealthy looks. The size of the fish Daniel is just 17 millimeters. This is a glass squid. The only thing you can see in its body is its cigar-shaped liver. In mating season, it starts glowing and looks even more mesmerizing. Do you think it's a figurine? Meet Greta otter. This butterfly lacks colored scales that usually give color to wings, so they look transparent, like a soap bubble, and this is a sea angel. These mollusks live in the North Arctic and adjacent oceans. In one season, the sea angel can eat up to 500 devils. Time's up. See you tomorrow.